Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, welcome back to my channel. First stop, a short drive from Wilderness to Viewpoint is definitely worth it. Picturesque and winding country road leading through the magnificent Southern Cape forestry area to the map of Africa. Breathtaking views of rivers surrounding this natural creation of the continent of Africa. Before we headed off to our next location, just a few hundred meters away from the map of Africa is this cute little caravan coffee store called Hello Coffee. Many cyclists stop by for their breakfast or just caffeine shot, and for the plant lovers, there is also succulents available for sale. My mother-in-law just couldn't resist as she is a big fan of plants. Do try out the iced latte. There is open blue skies makes a beautiful picture. I'm sure it is likely you'll see bright and colorful paragliders in the summer times. Since the weather is fabulous today, the sun is shining and there's no wind, we decided to do one more stop before we headed out of Wilderness, the Dolphin Point lookout. This lookout point is situated along the side of the road between Wilderness and George. Fantastic views along the coast and also a good view of Cayman Railway Bridge. As I was walking along this bridge, I was hoping I could see dolphins swimming across the ocean, but unfortunately I did not see any of that. But at least I can still come back next time for the dolphins.
So we have arrived at Plettenberg Bay. I didn't know this guess how it looks like. This how amazing it is. Oh, the sun is in my eyes. So let's go have an apartment tour. This is so beautiful. Look at this guest entertainment area here. There's TV, very spacious. Straight into the garden. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. So spacious. Just put my bag down here. I love the color. The color is nice and dark, like a night setting, not too bright. This, I have no idea what this is, but yeah, probably another
area to sit. So we only have the bottom floor, the entrance. We don't have access to the second floor. Wow, look at this dining table. Since we are 5 of us, this will be perfect. What is this? Kitchen. But it's not how the lights are. This place is so massive. Look at this. Just look at this. I love this white finish with this white wood. I love it. Double fridge, stove. I guess we'll be doing a lot of cooking. We'll be here for 3 nights. Lovely. Look at this view. We can even have breakfast out here tomorrow morning. It says relax. I love the decor. Let's go check out the rooms. Wow, the shower. Come check it out. It's a very nice big shower, small bath, but you know, in the Western Cape currently we are having water restrictions, so woo, careful there. Small bath is good so we don't waste water. Beautiful. Let's check out the bedroom. Wow. Private balcony.
Like a Romeo and Juliet, or Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Such a beautiful balcony. I like this.
Let's go to the second room. Oh, here's the public toilet. Oh, look how cute this is. It's so like, what do you call this? Room number 2, room number 3, let's look at this. So they all have their own bathroom, they're all very spacious, and they all have shower. Absolutely amazing. Private balcony again. So nice. Let's look at the final room. This one looks very romantic, very dark. Absolutely lovely. So every single room has their own private balcony. So if you want to just wake up and look at sunrise, you are more than welcome to. Oh, I love this show. I can't wait to sleep now. I'm so tired because my tooth is very sore right now. Check you guys later.
A few moments later. The next day.
Morning. So this is day 2. We are in Plettenberg Bay. I'm just going to do a quick washing and I'll just let you know what is our itinerary for the day. Just hold on a second. sound, it means the machine is working properly.
Such a domestic lady.
Okay, so this is day 2 in Plettenberg Bay. Like I mentioned yesterday, I had such a toothache. I was hoping to tell you guys this morning that after rinsing with whiskey, salt water, tooth massage, that I'd be better. About 1 a.m. this morning, unfortunately I got woken up by the pain again, so I had to take painkiller. Today is Sunday. Hopefully tomorrow we can go and see the dentist. It's not like unbearable that I need to go to the ER. So one more day and I hope this pain can go away or doesn't get worse, but I do feel it's getting better because the swelling isn't as bad. Anyway, today our plan is we go to the Chichikama National Park. Yeah, that will take about half a day. Then from there we're going to go to Blokam's bungee jumping, world's longest bungee jumping or highest bungee jumping from the bridge, 261 meter. And then we're going to not obviously bungee jump because I don't think we have the hearts for it, but because Chichikama National Park is quite close to the bungee jumping, so we're going to have lunch there. From there we'll see how the day goes, so we might go to the Eden of Birds and Monkeyland, but we'll see how the day goes. Anyways, keep you guys updated. Oh yes, I want to show you guys how beautiful the beach is. We are about 300 or 300 meters away from the beach, so it's another very exclusive private beach to South Africa, if I can put it that way. Let's go, since my washing will take half an hour, so let me just take a quick walk, morning walk.